And this is Government Postgraduate College, Atak, and I am Muhammad Ali, lecturer in English. I will deliver my lecture about visit to a small planet. This is play number 2 from book 3, and this is my lecture, and that is linked with online classes, and this online class is for first year English. First of all, from your page number first of this play number 2, I will read out the sentences, few sentences, then I will explain the words and difficult words and their meanings, and similarly I will explain parts of speech that have been used in these sentences. So this play starts with the scene, and the starting sentence is stock shot. The night sky starts. Then slowly a luminous object arcs into view as it is almost upon us. Dissolve to the living room of the Spalding house in Maryland. Superimpose card the time, the day after tomorrow. The room is comfortably balanced between the expensively decorated and the homely. Roger Spalding is concluding his TV broadcast. He is middle-aged, unctuous, resonant. His wife, bored and vague, knits passively while he talks at his desk. 2 technicians are on hand operating the equipment. His daughter, Ellen, a lively girl of 20, fidgets as she listens. Now I explain the difficult words, and I give you the meanings and the details of these difficult words. The first word is stock short. Stock short, it is a noun. As you know, noun is the name of a person or thing or object. So stock short, the meaning of stock shot is a film clip as of an historical event or geographical area, usually kept in a film library for possible use in future pictures. That we take a few pictures or the videos, we record videos beforehand so that we may use later on in the plays or dramas and films. In movies, any of the various pre-film shots, as from newsreels or travelogues, available from specialized film libraries for inserting, for including into a film to establish a local setting or surrounding or atmosphere. So newsreel means actually newsreel is a noun. It means a short film of news and current affairs, and formally made for showing as part of the program. So simply speaking, stock shot is a film clip that is recorded, that is taken beforehand so that it can be used in future for making films or dramas. Then comes next word, that is luminous. Luminous, this word is adjective. As you know, adjective is a word that adds to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Luminous means glowing, shining, bright. The next word is ox. It is a verb, and with arc we have used s because you know that it is present indefinite tense, and we use SRES, we add with the verbs when there is a singular noun in the beginning as a subject. So ox, it is a verb. It means moves with a curving trajectory or path. It means bends The other examples are the ball arced across the room. The next word is view. View, it is noun, it means sight or seen. View, the word view, it is noun, it means sight or seen. The next word, almost. Almost, this word is an adverb. The meaning of adverb is a word that adds to the meaning of verb or adjective or another adverb. So the meanings of almost are roughly, about, approximately, nearly. The next word is dissolve. This dissolve is a verb. As we know that verb is an action word. We come to know any action, the doing of an action or being of an action. So dissolve is a verb. The meaning of dissolve is end or close or disband or disperse. The next word is superimpose. Superimpose, it is verb. It means put on top or place over or place or lay one thing over another, typically so that both are still evident and that can be seen. For example, the number will appear on the screen superimposed on a flashing button. The next word is comfortably. Comfortably is an adverb. The meanings of comfortably are at ease. The next is beautifully or contentedly. The next word is balanced. Balanced, this word is adjective. The meanings of balanced are equalized, poised, or together. Next word, expensively. Expensively is an adverb. It means costly, lavishly, luxuriously, or extravagantly. The next word is decorated. Decorated, it is an adjective. It means ornamented, beautified, adorned, or bedecked. The next word, homely. Homely is an adjective. Adjective actually qualifies or adds to the meaning of noun or pronoun. We call it adjective. Homely means plain or unattractive or unpleasant. The next word is concluding. Concluding, it is verb. It means ending or finishing. Next word, broadcast. Broadcast is a noun. It means transmission, program or show or recording. The next word is unctuous. Unctuous is adjective. It means flattering, oily, sycophantic. The next word is resonant. Resonant is an adjective. It means booming or ringing or deep or significant. The next word is bored. Bored is an adjective. It means uninterested, fed up, or tired of something. The next word is vague. Vague is an adjective. It means unclear, or formless, or hazy, or blurred. Knits, this word is verb, and we have used s because before knit there is singular noun. So that's why we have used s with the knit, knits. It is verb. It means interweave, or weave, or bind, or tie, or unite. Next word is passively. Passively is an adverb. It means inactively, or without interest, or inertly. The next word is while. While is a conjunction. What is conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins other words. So while means whereas, or though, or as. The next word is talks. We have used s with the talk. It is a verb. And it means speaks, or utters, or converses. The next word is technicians. So the word technicians, actually it is noun. It means persons employed to look after technical equipment or do practical work in a laboratory. For example, laboratory technicians, experts in the practical application of a science, persons skilled in the technique of an art or craft. Operating. Operating is a verb. It means using or working. The next word is equipment. Equipment is a noun. It means gear, tools, apparatus, utensils or tackle. The next word is lively. Lively is an adjective. It means active or spirited or energetic. The next word is fidgets. We have used s with fidget because before fidget there is a singular noun, fidgets. It is a verb. It means be restless or move around or be uneasy. And I have explained the meanings of difficult words. In the next session, we will explain in detail this very page. Thank you very much.